When it comes to streaming or transparency, two VPNs are often at the top of the list, PureVPN and Windscribe. But which one reigns supreme when it comes to streaming enthusiasts and transparency policies? Let's dive into the details, and I'll give you my honest take on which one's best. Stick around, because I've got a great alternative to recommend by the end of the video. Let's start with streaming. If you're someone who loves watching Netflix, Hulu, or other geo-blocked content, you'll want a VPN that excels at unblocking streaming services. PureVPN really shines here. With its optimized servers specifically designed for streaming, PureVPN lets you access a wide range of content libraries from around the globe, including Netflix US, UK, and more. Its dedicated streaming servers make it one of the better VPNs for those who care about uninterrupted streaming in HD quality. Now, on the flip side, Windscribe is a solid option, but doesn't have the same level of server optimization for streaming. While it can unblock a few popular services, it's not as reliable across the board as PureVPN when it comes to consistently bypassing geo-restrictions. Windscribe might work for basic streaming needs, but if you're a serious binge watcher, you might run into more issues with buffering or limited content access. Next thing, let's talk about speed. Streaming requires fast speeds, and here's where the race gets interesting. PureVPN provides great speeds for streaming, thanks to its optimized servers, but there are occasional dips in performance, especially during peak times. Windscribe, on the other hand, is known for having a bit more consistent speeds, although you might notice some lag on higher demand streaming platforms. Both are decent, but if you're really picky about speed, PureVPN might be your go-to for smoother streams. Next up, let's tackle transparency policies. When you're trusting a VPN, you want to know they're not logging your data and are being open about their practices. Windscribe absolutely stands out in this category. Windscribe is one of the most transparent VPNs out there. They publish their audit results, which shows a commitment to privacy that's rare in the VPN world. They even have a detailed blog where they explain how they manage your data, and their no-logs policy is backed by a third-party audit. PureVPN, on the other hand, has had a bit of a rocky history. While they now claim a strict no-logs policy, they did have a moment in the past where they cooperated with authorities for a specific case. They've since overhauled their privacy policy, but if transparency is your top priority, Windscribe has the upper hand here. Windscribe's transparency about their operations is something PureVPN can't quite match. The fourth thing I want to mention is server selection. PureVPN boasts a much larger server network, which means you get more options for unblocking content from around the world. Windscribe, while not as extensive, still offers decent coverage and has the added benefit of a free plan with 10 gigabytes of monthly data, which can be a good starting point for casual users. Now, here's the thing. Both of these VPNs are solid, but when it comes down to streaming and transparency, PureVPN and Windscribe each have their strengths. However, if you're looking for the absolute best combination of reliability for streaming and privacy, I've found a better alternative that you won't want to miss. Through the link in the description, you can get access to the best free trial available for my recommended VPN, one that outperforms both PureVPN and Windscribe in the key areas we've talked about today. It's exclusive to you, my viewers, and will give you the best possible experience when it comes to both streaming and security. So, while PureVPN and Windscribe have their merits for a better, more balanced experience, be sure to check out the link below and claim your exclusive benefits today.